What's up, guys?
So today
We're gonna be recording
Jeremiah
and we're gonna be filming the exact same video at the exact same time.
So come, let's get us video started. Those guys, the most and cows player ever.
Let's put the lights off so you can get the extra view. That's how we look in real life.
Jeremiah is getting roasted right now. You guys, well, yeah.
Guys, this is actually the most funniest thing and the most dumbest thing at the same time.
I don't know why. You need 50 points to get it. So I hope you enjoy this video,
guy
guys.
just said.
If that becomes a fix for about the tournament is getting more marvelous and let's go.
Just tell what this
10
guy
because I started like 30 minutes late in this tournament, so.
By the way, this is a reacting video if you wanna know.
Real reacting.
Currently 2 hours left. So if you enjoy, don't forget to
This guy don't
subscribe,
make
like,
sense.
and let's go.
Just check us out. Just check us damn layout, guys. His first game. Just check what he did.
We're in a short run.
Like, he thinks the sweeper shotgun is that good. Like, it's past that season already, but the sweeper shotgun's not good at all. That's all I'm gonna tell you. The sweeper shotgun's not good.
Blue sweeper.
Nobody likes the sweeper shotgun.
Footsteps on me.
The most dumbest thing ever.
Why can't you just say there's a player on?
You think I should drink it?
Actually, a little bit.
Knocked!
Knocked!
He's dumb!
He's playing solos, but he's saying knocked. Is he serious? Is he Pamali in his
dumb.
scope? He's dumb.
When he came to our house, you said, this guy is slow.
He said I'm slow at editing by now. But look at him. I'm sure. But this guy's even faster than him. I'm better than him. I'm better than this guy over here. But he's still faster than Jeremiah. Look, he just died. He's so trash.
And now I died. And the worst way possible, so.
Yeah, because you are worse.
I think I forgot to mention that my first 5 games was Tony. I'm gonna W key in my.
He said he's gonna W key, but all he was doing is just playing safe and.
Hope you enjoy and get to subscribe. I already said it. I don't know why I'm not saying it. Like, I don't know why I'm not saying it. But anyways, let's get into this. On a glide deep, but now we look up when people is already on the roof and things. I'm still in the edge, some people already have shields.
Guys, please like and subscribe.
We need it and comment. Do you play Fortnite so that we can add and also
And
give
if
you
you play Roblox,
sprites?
we will add you too. And
We,
if you play Fortnite, we're gonna give you a really cool sprites, guys.
like, I posted a video on my account of me having a 0-point sprite. So I will be giving that away. So you just type in your name in the comments, then I will add you.
Yeah.
And we play for it.
And if you type down your name in the comments here, I will give you a aura sprite and a gummy sprite.
Bro, appreciate you.
Those guys don't know nothing.
He doesn't know nothing about Fortnite, but he's playing a tournament.
This guy did never post this here of how we play.
I have 10 points.
Okay,
But it's mostly about steal a brain rust. We don't like steal a brain rust no more.
Oh my gosh.
this guy go on.
Okay,
Okay,
goodbye guys.
this is the end.
Don't forget to like and subscribe
and comment your usernames down
so that we
below.
can add y'all.
Peace.
I would comment your username so that we can add y'all in the comments. So